Let's talk about the code P0096, which points to an intake air temperature sensor, 2-circuit range, or performance issue. This sounds technical, but think of it this way. Your car needs to know exactly how cold or hot the air entering the engine is to mix the fuel correctly. Cold air is dense, so it needs more fuel. Warm air is thin, so it needs less. The intake air temperature, or IAT sensor, is basically a thermistor, a resistor that changes based on heat. This code pops up when the computer sees the temperature reading jumping around erratically or changing faster than is physically possible. For example, air temperature does not go from 50 degrees to 150 degrees in 1 second. If the computer sees that, it sets this code. You might not feel a huge difference in driving, but your fuel mileage could suffer. Diagnosing this is actually kind of fun if you like detective work. First, if your engine is stone cold, like has not been run overnight, hook up your scanner. The intake air temperature should match your coolant temperature almost perfectly. If the IAT says it is negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit, while it is 80 degrees outside, you have an open circuit or a dead sensor. If it reads something crazy hot like 250 degrees, you likely have a short to ground. If the numbers look okay initially, try the wiggle test. Watch the voltage on your scanner or a voltmeter while you wiggle the wires going to the sensor. If the numbers jump wildly just because you moved the wire, you have a broken wire or a bad connector. Another great test involves removing the sensor. Hook it up to an ohmmeter to measure resistance. Now, use a hairdryer to gently heat it up or stick it in the freezer. The resistance numbers should change smoothly and steadily. If the numbers jump or skip like a scratched record, the sensor is internally failing. It is a simple 2-wire part, so it is usually an easy fix. Just make sure the new sensor is high quality, as this little device plays a big role in how your engine breathes.